afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all of you. Now the board is visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How much is given as homework? Have you completed all up to worksheet 4? Today we will do the worksheet 5 of exponent and powers chapter. We will do worksheet 5. Please mute yourself so that the voice is audible to all of you clearly. Worksheet 5. Then tell me which question from question number 1. Which question I will do? Any doubt from question number 1 or shall I do question number 2?
Ma'am, question number 10.
Question number?
Ma'am, 10, ma'am, 1 ka 10.
1 ka 10. Okay. X minus 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 3 divided by minus 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 4 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 5 divided by minus 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 6. Okay. That the question is given. Then you see, now you see minus 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 3. How can I write down by removing the minus 3?
2 whole 3.
Minus 2
Minus
to the power
2
3.
whole 3. Minus 2 whole 3.
This one also minus 2 whole to the
Minus 2 whole 4.
Yes, very good. Then minus. You also change this side.
Minus 2 whole 5.
5 divided by minus 2 to the power 6.
2 whole 6.
Yes. Now, you can cancel minus 2 to the power 3 divided by minus 2 to the power 4. Then, 1 by minus 2. Yes or no? Then,
Yes, ma'am.
ये also minus 1 by minus 2. Cancel हो जाएगा. 3 ये 4. Then you see minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Then minus 1 by 2 minus plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0.
Ma'am, 0.
Yes. Is it? The board is visible to all of you clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, you understood the question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, question number 1 or any doubts you can ask me from question number 1.
मैम इस क्वेश्चन को एक बार और आप रिपीट कर दीजिए ना.
ये वाला क्वेश्चन?
यस मैम.
हाँ. You see, क्वेश्चन तो ये है given minus 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 3. जब हम minus 3 को चेंज करते हैं minus 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 3. How can we change? You see, I am writing here inside. See, ये minus to remove minus sign. What we have to do? Minus 2. ये minus sign ऐसे ही रहेगा. 1 by 2 to the power minus 3 means 2 to the power 3 हो जाता है. Do you know this?
यस मैम.
हाँ.
यस मैम.
इस तरह से हम इसको भी चेंज कर दिए. minus 2 to the power 3 divided by minus 2 to the power 4. Minus this minus sign put here. Then minus 2 to the power minus 5 था. तो ये plus 5 you can change into plus 5 divided by minus 2 to the power Then you cancel minus 2 to the power 3 divided by minus 2 to the power 4. You cancel, then what you will get? You see. 1 by minus 2. 1 by minus 2 minus. This is also 5 power.
Ma'am, because minus 2 will be cancelled and 3 minus 4 equals to minus 1.
वन, हाँ वो भी हो सकता है, अदरवाइज आपको कैंसिलेशन भी आता है, वो भी हो सकता है, आपको भी ऐसे भी पता है, हाँ पावर यू कैन माइनस 3 माइनस 4 भी कर सकते हैं, जो भी होगा माइनस 2 टू द पावर माइनस 1 माइनस माइनस 2 टू द पावर माइनस 1. ओके, इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस 3 माइनस 4 5 माइनस 6 like this, 1 by minus 2 minus 1 by minus 2, then minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus हो जाएगा plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This will be cancelled. What is its value? Its value is now 0. This is your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now any doubt from any other question of question number 1?
No, ma'am.
Complete. Okay. Now shall I drop this one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. अनुमाओं को कॉल करता?
Now question number 2. By what number should we multiply 2 to the power minus 5 so that the product may be equal to 2 to the power minus 1? By what number?
Let the number be x.
हाँ, let the number be x. Write down. Let the number be x. Then according to the question, x into
Ma'am, x in 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and power 5.
2 to the power minus 1.
Ma'am, it's equal to 1 by 2.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now we have to find out the value of x. Then x is equal to 2 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power minus
ma'am, 2 to the power by 5.
Therefore, 1 by 2
Ma'am, 1 by 2 divide 32.
power 5. Or you can write 1 by 2 into 2 to the power 5. Cancel 2 to the power.
Ma'am, 16. Ma'am, our answer will be 16.
हाँ, the answer is 16. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Then question number 2, 3, 4, 5. Same type of questions. Which question now I will do? Tell me.
Ma'am, 6.
6.
Ma'am, question number 4.
4.
Ma'am, question number 4.
4. Okay. Shall I drop this one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Question number 4. By what number should 24 to the power minus 1 be divided so that the quotient may be equal to 4 to the power minus 1? Okay. 24, at first you write down, let the number be x. Then according to the question, 24
The answer
to
will
the
be
power minus 1 divided by what the number? By what number should be divided? So that the quotient may be 4 to the power minus 1. ये दिया है आपका क्वेश्चन में, समझ में आया? आपका एक्चुअल इक्वेशन क्या है? 24 to the power minus 1 divided by the number x is equal to the quotient has given 4 to the power minus 1. Okay. Now 24 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 24.
By 24.
Divided by x is equal
Which
to
one
1 by 4. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 by 4.
1 by 24 into
Ma'am, divide by 4. 1 by x.
1 by 4. Now 1 by
Ma'am, which 1 by x? Worksheet 5.
1 by 4. 24 into x. I have multiplied here. Now you
The cross multiplication.
24
Ma'am, x
x.
is equal to 6.
Yes, you do cross multiplication. Now
The cross
24x
multiplication.
into 1. 24x is equal to 4 into 1. 4.
Ma'am, 1 by 6. Ma'am, x is equals to 4 divided by 6. Ma'am, x is equal to 1 by 6.
Yes, 1 by 6. That is your answer.
1 by 6.
Now you understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now question number 6.
Next question number.
Ma'am, 6. Ma'am, 2 and 4. Ma'am, 6, 2 and 4.
1 second बेटा. Next. Which question?
Ma'am, question number 6.
6. Okay. Shall I drop this one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
मैम मैथ का सिलेबस क्या है? हिमेश यादव. मैथ का सिलेबस ऑलरेडी आई हैव डिस्कस्ड यस्टरडे.
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell once again?
देखो सेकेंड टर्म का फुल सिलेबस है, जो चैप्टर था, फर्स्ट टर्म का जो आपका पोर्शन था उसमें से आपका आ रहा है. अगर यू हैव पेंसिल विथ यू देन पुट टिक मार्क. चैप्टर 2 operations on rational numbers, then chapter 4 exponents and powers, then chapter 8 triangle and its properties, then chapter 9 congruent triangle. ये 4 चैप्टर फ्रॉम टर्म 1, then all chapters of term 2 is your syllabus of final term. Okay, now everybody clear about the syllabus?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now question number 6. 3 by 4 whole to the power minus 9 into 3 by 4 whole to the power minus 7 is equal to 3 by 4 whole to the power 4x. Okay, find the value of x so that this is given. Now we have to find out the value of x. See, the base are same. Okay, then first we have to solve this part. 3 by 4 to the power x to the power m, x to the power n, n plus n, yes, minus 9
minus
plus minus 7 is equal to
minus
3 by 4. But don't change the base. Okay, आप यहाँ पे माइनस हटाने के लिए ये बेस को चेंज मत कीजिएगा, ये याद रखिएगा. आपको बेस सेम रखना है ताकि आपका ये इसको हम सॉल्व कर पाएंगे पावर को, इसीलिए बता रही हूँ. 3 by 4
माइनस.
अगर आपका देखो बेस अगर सेम नहीं रहेगा ना, फिर आप कैसे पावर को इक्वल नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो आप माइनस को हटाने का चक्कर में आप उसका बेस को चेंज नहीं कीजिएगा, 4/3 नहीं करिएगा, ये ध्यान दीजिएगा आप, बस और कुछ नहीं. -7 minus 9 minus 16 is equal to 3 by 4 whole to the power 4x. Now the base 2 are same, also the powers are same. Okay, जब बेस दोनों सेम होगा 4x is equal to
4x equals to minus 16.
ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं.
X equals to minus 4.
Minus 16
4.
is equal to 4x. Also you can write down like this. Okay. Then x is equal to minus 16 divided by 4, which is equal to minus 4. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, first you have written that minus 16 equals to 4x from then.
is also correct. Minus 16 is equal to 4x. Here also next you write down x equal to minus 16 by 4. No problem. Understood? इसमें one thing you have to emphasize, don't change the base. Okay? If you change the base, then it will be confused to all of you.
How we can write 4x equals to minus 6?
Huh?
Ma'am, we have to write minus 4x equals to 16 now.
हाँ, that also you can write down. जो आप लिखे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बट फाइनली आपका वेरिएबल के पास माइनस तो रहता नहीं है. ऑलवेज राइट डाउन माइनस हियर द कांस्टेंट टर्म्स. वेरिएबल में माइनस मतलब नेक्स्ट आपका कांस्टेंट टर्म में चला जाता है. आप लिखो माइनस 4x भी लिखो, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, नाउ
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट.
Ma'am, can you tell 6 का 2 and 4?
हाँ, वेट. हाँ, 6 से 2. ओके, shall I rub this one? Shall I rub?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, man.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is saying no? Huh? Already half part I have erased. Okay, I am taking the screenshot. I will send it. Okay. Next, 6 second one. See, 2 by 9. These questions needed more practice. स्टूडेंट्स लिसन केयरफुली. ये जो क्वेश्चन सारे हैं ना, आपका एक्सपोनेंट पावर्स में जो क्वेश्चन है, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस मोर. और कुछ नहीं, आपको खाली प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है. अगर आप सोचिएगा मैम ये लिख रहे हैं, हम खाली देखते देखते ये समझ जाए, ये नहीं होगा. मैम के साथ आप भी लिखो. जितना आप लिख कर प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा उतना आपके लिए अच्छा होगा. आप अच्छा मार्क्स लाएंगे.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am, 2 upon 9 power minus 6 into 2 upon 9 होगा, 3 नहीं होगा.
हाँ, 2 by
मैम हम लोग के बुक में लिखा हुआ into मैम 2 upon 9. मैम
हाँ.
सेकंड में. यस मैम.
हाँ, 9 यहाँ पे भी 9 लिखा है बेटा. हाँ, I have done mistake. Then you see 2 by 9. See, 3 base are same. Okay. Then 2 by 9 whole to the power. You know x to the power m. X to the power m is equal to x to the power m plus n minus 6 plus 3 is equal to 2 by 3. What is given? 2x minus 1. Okay. Now the two base are same. 2 by 9 whole to the power minus 3 is equal to 2 by 3 whole to the power 2x minus 1. Okay. Now दोनों बेस सेम. सॉरी, 2 by 9. The two base are same. Then the powers will be same. 2x minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Then 2x is equal to 3 minus 1. If you change it, it will be plus 1, which is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. That is your answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम अगर बेस डिफरेंट होगा तो कैसे अगर सॉल्व करेंगे?
बेस अगर डिफरेंट होगा ये सॉल्व नहीं हो पाएगा. आप इसको पूरा मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके इसका वैल्यू निकालना पड़ेगा. आपको ऐसा
यस मैम, पहले सारे मल्टीप्लाई
आपको ऐसा
करना पड़ेगा, फिर
क्वेश्चन कभी देगा ही नहीं. अगर थोड़ा बहुत देता है ना, आप इसका जो पावर है ना, इसको थोड़ा मल्टीप्लाई करके देता है ताकि आपको बेस में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके, उस तरह से भी आप इसको भी दे सकते हैं. 4 by 81 whole to the power 3 दिया है. You can change it. This is 2 square. Is it visible? Wait.
यस मैम.
हाँ, सब
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Yes. See,
Ma'am.
इस तरह से one term is there. Suppose 4 means 2 square, 81 means 9 square. Okay, whole to the power 3. Okay, 2 by 9 whole to the power 6. इस तरह से आपको चेंज करना पड़ेगा. इस तरह से कुछ दे सकता है. इसके अलावा आपको पूरा डिफरेंट बेस कभी नहीं आएगा क्वेश्चन में, रिमेम्बर। ओके,
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
हाँ
मैम आंसर रॉन्ग आ रहा है मैम। अगर वहाँ पे -3 तो -3 + 1 -2 होगा ना मैम। आप 4 लिखती है, -1 आंसर आएगा।
एक मिनट, हियर इज -3, यस -3 + 1
यस मैम।
-2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज इक्वल
मैम आंसर
टू
-1 होना चाहिए।
यस यस,
मैम -1 आंसर।
हाँ
मैम -1 आएगा।
I have done mistake here, -3, I have done +3 here. Okay, yes,
Yes.
that thing you have to
Yes, ma'am.
emphasize. देखो यहाँ बातें
Yes,
करने
ma'am.
में वहाँ पे गलत हो जाता है। You have to give emphasize minus plus. Okay, हाँ, very good for telling me.
मैम 6 का 4 बता दीजिए।
हाँ, एक मिनट। हाँ, shall I write now?
मैम 6 का 4।
यस मैम।
मैम 6 का 4 मैम।
हाँ
मैम 6 का
मैम
4।
7 बता दीजिए।
हाँ, 6 का
मैम 6 का 4, मैम 4, 6 का 4, मैम 7, मैम 7।
शांत रहो ना, 6 का 4
बता दीजिए।
completing 6, then we will go to question
मैम पहले आप 6 का 4 बता दीजिए, उसके बाद आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 बता दीजिएगा।
यस मैम, यस मैम।
यस मैम।
say -6 by 11 power x divided by -6 by 11 power -2 whole power -1 is equal to -6 by 11 power 2 whole to the power -3. Correct है बेटे? Okay. Now -6 divided by 11 power x. What is
Ma'am,
it?
now we will multiply -2 and -1. The answer will be 2. -6 upon 11 whole 2.
-6 divided by 11 power हो जाएगा -2 which is equal to -6 by 11 power हो जाएगा -6.
Ma'am, -6.
Okay.
Ma'am, -6.
Yes. Now -6 by 11 power x -2
X minus 2. Ma'am, x minus
2 is equal to
x minus 2.
-6 by 11 power -6. Now base
Minus 6.
then
Ma'am, x minus 2 minus 6 is equals to -6. Ma'am, x minus 2 equals to -6.
x is equal to
X equals to -4.
is equal to -4.
Our answer will be -4.
हाँ, now the answer is correct from Aditya
Yes, ma'am.
Raj. Ma'am, please explain question number 7. Yes, I will explain. Now everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will do question number 7. At first you completed.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Shall I write now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now question number 7. If P by Q is equal to 2 by 3 power 2 into 1 by 3 power -4, find the value of P by Q whole to the power -2. Okay. At first we will solve the value of P by Q by multiplying the powers. Okay. See. 2 by 3 power 2, 2 power 2 divided by 3 power 2 into
Q, ma'am, power is
P by Q only you see. What is the value of P by Q? After that I will tell what we have to do. Okay. जहाँ तक लिखा है
36.
हाँ 36 then Q by P here has given P by Q minus 2.
Ma'am,
You can write it
put
Q
value.
by P power 2. Okay. P by Q is equal
Yes.
to 36. Q by P is equal to 1 by 36. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If P,
Yes, ma'am.
if P
Yes,
by
ma'am.
Q is equal to 36, then we can say Q by P is equal to 1 by 36. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of Q by P square. Q by P whole square is equal to 1 by 36. Whole square is equal to 1 by 36 into 36. Tell me how much its value?
Ma'am, 1296.
96. Yes, very good. 1 by 1296. This is your answer. Understood everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, वहाँ
Himesh
Ma'am, जो
Yadav,
आपने
please
P-
explain again.
excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ.
मैम जो वहाँ पे Q, मैम जो वहाँ पे P by Q है उसको मैम आप Q by P क्यों किए?
क्यों नहीं करेंगे? देखो ना बेटा, इधर जो P by Q दिया है ना, आप यहीं पे फिर इसको चेंज करना था. हम यहाँ पे देखो Q by P whole to the power 2 कर दो. इसीलिए अगर आप उसको नहीं करेंगे वो भी हो सकता है. देखो अगर if you don't want to change, देखो what the question is given, P by Q whole to the power minus 2. Okay, P by Q is equal to अपना 36 to the power minus 2. We can write it 1 by 36 power 2. That is also 1 by 1296. This is also correct. Okay, any method you can choose. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Himesh,
ma'am.
can you open your camera? Only he is writing the message. Ma'am, I am not understand. Please repeat again. खाली यही लिख रहे हैं. I want to see your face. What problem actually you are facing? Tell me. Any method. देखो इस साइड में आपको सेम चीज, वहाँ डायरेक्टली हम Q by P कर रहे थे. आप अगर Q by P नहीं करेंगे तो यहाँ पे भी आपको सेम चीज, यहाँ पे भी सेम आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. 36 देखो जो हम यहाँ पे कर दिए थे. Any method in maths, there are so many methods you can use. बाकी आप ब्रेन थोड़ा होना चाहिए, talented.
मेथड सही होना चाहिए. कैमरा खराब है इसलिए हम ओपन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
क्या हुआ?
मैम मेरा कैमरा खराब है इसलिए हम ओपन, मैम मेरा इसलिए कैमरा ऑन नहीं हो पा रहा
अच्छा,
है.
आप बताओ बेटा, आपको क्या
मैं
चीज
कैमरा
समझ में नहीं आया, कौन सा पार्ट में, ये बताओ.
मैम समझ आ गया.
अभी समझ आ गया? यू आर राइटिंग सो मेनी मैसेजेस. आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. प्लीज मैम रिपीट अगेन. हाँ, दैट्स व्हाई आई फील कंफ्यूज. ओके,
क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का 4 बता रहे थे तो हम बोले थे एक्सप्लेन करना है क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 मैम, फिर हम कुछ नहीं भेजे थे.
ओके ओके ओके. नाउ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड?
यस मैम.
Aditya Raj, why you
Yes,
are raising
ma'am.
your hand? 7F.
यस मैम अंडरस्टूड.
Okay. Or any doubt to anybody? Tell me. No.
मैम
These questions needed more practice. और कुछ नहीं, आप खाली प्रैक्टिस करती जाओ. ओके, आपके पास तो सही आंसर है, आप खाली प्रैक्टिस करते जाओ और कुछ नहीं इसमें. और एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? 7 डन. देन 8.
नो मैम.
9. Okay. Shall I rub now this one?
यस मैम.
Question number 9. See, simplify 2 by 3 power 2 whole to the power 3 into 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 4 into 3 to the power minus 1 into 1 by 6. Okay? Now, you see.
Yes, sir.
2 to the power 2 by 3 power 2 into 3 2 by 3 power 6 into this. I will change to remove the minus. I will change the place 3 by 2 whole to the power 4 into 3 to the power minus 3 means 1 by 3 into 1 by 6. Okay, now you see 2 to the power 6 we have to cancel. Okay, that's why I am writing differently the powers. Okay, 3 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 6. I am writing here 2 into 3. Why? Because we have to cancel the numbers. Okay, see 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 4. You can cancel here. What left? 2 to the power 2. Then 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 6. You can cancel. What left? 3 to the power 2. Okay. Now also I am writing here. Again also 2 you can cancel here. In another step I am writing 2 to the power 2. No more numbers are there in of. Okay, in numerator. Then you see 3 to the power 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Okay, now 2 also cancelled here, left only 2. Then 2 by 3 3s are 9 into 3 3 9 9 into 9 81. Okay,
I'm 81.
हाँ
2 by 81 is answer.
is your answer. खाली आपको कैंसिल करने में आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. ओके, whenever you cancel the number you have to give emphasis on that matter also, otherwise nothing else.
Excuse me, मैम.
हाँ
मैम, जब ये चैप्टर खत्म हो जाए तो आप हम लोग को कुछ क्वेश्चन दे दीजिएगा ना, हम लोग को वैसे प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगा.
yes, but every exercise whatever works
क्वेश्चन मैम, एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन.
extra
मैम,
question.
आप टेस्ट लीजिए.
हाँ, yes I will test, but every questions from book also, listen me, each and every question from book also you should practice. Okay, सारे क्वेश्चन आपको आना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि हाँ हम लोग को एक बना लिए पूरा वर्कशीट आ जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं. एवरी क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम वन अनदर. ओके, एक दूसरे से हर कोई क्वेश्चन डिफरेंट है, सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
हाँ
मैम, अब आप हम लोग का डाउट सॉल्व करके कुछ रियली क्वेश्चन दिया कीजिए ना सॉल्व करने के लिए.
हाँ, लेट
Yes, ma'am.
मी फिनिश द
Yes,
चैप्टर.
ma'am.
ये चैप्टर फिनिश हो जाएगा फिर देन. ओके, then I will make one paper, question paper. I will share in the screenshot. You will give the test within the period. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Shall I wrap this?
क्या?
Everybody understood the question number 9?
Yes, ma'am. What is the homework?
हाँ, complete worksheet 5. Okay, this is your homework. Complete worksheet 5. I think every doubt question is cleared. 5 and 6 also. 6 is same type of question. Only worksheet 7 tomorrow I will discuss about. Worksheet 7 or BT questions. If you have doubt in brain teaser, I will solve tomorrow. Okay. Baki for your homework today, complete worksheet 5 and
Doubt
6.
in worksheet 6, question number 2, 3.
1 and 2 beta. Only 1 and 2 is given.
Yes, ma'am. 2 का 3, ma'am. 2 का 3.
2 का 3 you are asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, और 1 का 6.
Okay, shall I rub this one now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now worksheet 5, no doubt, completed.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now worksheet 6. Question number 1. Which one? From 1?
Ma'am, 6.
6. Simplify. Minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 5 into minus 3 by 2 whole to the power minus 5. Now, minus 3 by 2 whole to the power 5 into minus 3 by 2 whole to the power minus 5. Okay. Now the base also same and power only different. Okay. If base are same, minus 3 by 2 x to the power m.
Ma'am, 5 plus minus 5 equals to 0.
हाँ 5 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 3 by 2 power 0 is equal to 1.
Equals to 1.
हाँ
Ma'am,
हाँ
मैम लेकिन जो 3 by 2 to the power minus 5 है उसे भी तो minus 2 by 3 to the
नहीं,
power
आप थोड़ा
minus
सा
5 की तरह
हाँ आप जो पूछ रहे हैं आप थोड़ा सा उस पर फोकस कीजिएगा। हम ये बेस दोनों को सेम रखना है, इस चीज पे आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिएगा। इसी के चलते हम इसको चेंज नहीं करेंगे, अगर करेंगे फिर तो सेम चीज आ गया जो यहाँ पे
फिर आंसर वही आएगा।
ओके
मैम अगर
हाँ पूछो।
मैम अगर ये मैम माइनस 3 by 2 पे जो पावर 5 है मैम, अगर ये सबको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे ना, कट भी जाएगा तो सेम आंसर आएगा।
हाँ कट, हाँ यू कैन कट इट ऑल्सो, वो भी सेम आएगा। यस सारा कट हो जाएगा, आपका 1 लास्ट में बचेगा। इट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट। ओके एनी मेथड, सो मेनी मेथड्स यू कैन सॉल्व इट।
उस पे पावर minus 5 था ना,
हाँ
बढ़ी आ रहा है
तो 1 ही आएगा। ओके नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 और एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1?
नो मैम।
ओके shall I write this one?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Now question number 2. 2/3 4 by 5 whole to the power minus 2 divided by minus 4 divided by 5 whole to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 to the power 3x. Okay.